Hey guys, Rob Skiba here for a little gardening tip. Not that I'm an expert or anything. This is definitely one of those trial and error with emphasis on error kind of endeavors for me anyway, but came up with some solutions that appear to be working pretty well for us. You can get these cool bins at Home Depot for like 25 bucks, something like that. Now, they already come with these holes in them, and they're the perfect size for these poles right here. And now these poles you can get also at Home Depot for like creating a tomato cage, and they come 3 to a pack. So what I did was I put 2 in the back through the holes there, and then the one in the front, and then I created this little web of rope kind of thing here, so this thing will rest on top of that underneath, and ran the rope across the top too, so if the wind picks up it doesn't send the lid flying. So with the sun directly overhead, these are translucent, so it creates a nice warm diffuse yellow light under there that these plants seem to like. So if it's too sunny, you can have it down like that. If you want to, if it needs more sun, you just pop it through the hole in the top there. So you create a little brace and you open it up so it's like that. So if your sun is like it is here in Texas and it's just burning your plants alive, this has actually worked out quite well for us. As you can see, these are surviving and doing pretty well. Then here's another idea I had. I got this 10-foot long PVC pipe and a couple of T adapters there, and created a brace on top and some burlap and zip ties, and created a nice little hoop like that. And so the burlap also helps to diffuse the light and allows wind to get through so they can breathe and stuff like that. So anyway, here's a couple of tips that have actually worked for us. So if you're trying to do gardening for the first time, maybe this will help you guys out as well.